Hi, Cassie.
Hi. Why does it just stop being an actual road?
Yeah, we're on a dirt road. We're taking a walk around my neighborhood.
There's a big field back there. Are there ponies in it?
I don't know. There could be horses, but probably not ponies. We've never done like your official vlog greeting. I know. That's what I'm saying. That's why you gotta do it.
No.
Okay, super fast lightning round. Are you ready?
I guess.
You're so lame. State your name, how we met, and your favorite color. Go.
My name is Cassie. We met in 7th grade science class, and my favorite color is pink.
Hey, I can tell. Your car. Why are you trying to run away from bugs? The bugs are like attracted to Cassie. How come they're not attacking me at all? I think it's because you're so tall. They don't have to fly as close to the ground to get you. Really long random path. You can like see the sunset and it's all pretty, and you can hear the highway. So like I think we're near the highway, but we don't want to keep walking because my mom's making corn. I found a lightning bug. Well, we didn't find it, but we captured a lightning bug. He keeps falling to the bottom of the cup. We're gonna let him go after we watch him like light up for a little while. Watching the lights off. Cue Fireflies by Owl City.
I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake.
Let's name him Bartholomew. I'm free in my room, which is probably not a good decision. Bartholomew. Bartholomew. Alright. We're gonna let you free outside, okay? Okay. Well, come on, let's go. Free Bartholomew, go! 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 Outside! No. Oh, he went. He went. Bartholomew, he went.
Shut the thing.
Oh, right.
Mosquitoes in here.
This is a bad plan.
I'm gonna stay